Chapter 14. Puppetry, the Dance of Hands. Katputli, Rajasthan. Katputli is a traditional string puppet dance from Rajasthan, India. The puppets, made of wood and cloth, are controlled by strings attached to the puppeteer's hands. The performances often depict folk tales, historical stories, and social messages. Accompanied by traditional Rajasthani music, Katputli remains a vital part of Rajasthan's cultural heritage. This art form has been passed down through generations of puppeteers. Pavkuthu, Kerala. Pavkuthu, also known as Thol Pavkuthu, is a shadow puppet dance from Kerala. The puppets, made of leather, are controlled with sticks and projected onto a lit screen. The performances are based on stories from the Ramayana and other mythological epics. It is traditionally performed in temples as part of religious festivals. The rhythmic beats and narration add to the beauty of this ancient art form. Yampuri, Bihar. Yampuri is a unique form of puppet dance from Bihar that uses wooden rod puppets. Unlike string puppets, these are controlled with rods attached to different body parts. The puppets are painted with bright colors and depict characters from folklore and mythology. This art form requires immense skill and precision to manipulate movements smoothly. Yampuri remains a cherished part of Bihar's cultural storytelling tradition. Kunde, Odisha. Kunde is a famous string puppet dance from Odisha, known for its lively performances. The puppets, made of light wood, have movable limbs controlled by strings. The performances showcase tales from the Ramayana, Mahabharata, and other folk legends. Puppeteers use music and dialogues to bring the characters to life. Kunde remains an important part of Odisha's rich artistic heritage. Putul Nach, West Bengal. Putul Nach is a traditional rod puppet dance from West Bengal. The puppets are crafted with intricate designs and dressed in colorful attire. Performances are often based on mythological and historical stories, accompanied by folk music. The puppeteer manipulates the rods to create expressive movements. Putul Nach continues to be an important part of Bengal's cultural storytelling. Gombeyatta, Karnataka. Gombeyatta is a vibrant string puppet dance from Karnataka. The puppets are usually inspired by characters from traditional Yakshagana theatre. Puppeteers skillfully control the strings to create dramatic expressions and movements. The performances are accompanied by music, songs, and dialogues to enhance the storytelling. Gombeyatta reflects Karnataka's rich tradition of folk and classical art forms. Fun fact: puppets are of four types: string puppet, shadow puppet, rod puppet, and glove puppet.